Hello everyone, welcome to ID Pro tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can use Advanced OCR. So Advanced OCR is something that you can use to read multiple languages automatically. You don't have to select any language. It is available in ID Market of ID Pro. So let's get started.
ID. Welcome to ID Pro. Accessible camera button, row 1, column 1, in grid, 6 rows, 2 columns.
So
Double tap to activate.
ID Pro has opened.
Where am I button? Travel mode, around me button, see object, read text offline, advanced OCR button, column 2.
So this is Advanced OCR. We'll go and open it.
Camera active. Right swipe to select camera button and take picture. Advanced buttons at bottom. TTS selected by uscom.google.android.tts.
Okay, so as you could listen, it said me that which TTS is selected by me. So depending on the languages that you want to read, please make sure that the relevant TTS is selected. So you'll find guidance button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Then next to it, you'll find open gallery button to see to access contents that are saved on your phone gallery and read the same. Then you'll find next to it is the TTS button, using which you can set your preferred TTS to read various languages. Next to it you'll find saved results button, using which the results that you have saved can be accessed from that point. And next to it is info button, which will give you a brief idea about how the feature what Advanced OCR is and how to use it.
Go back button. Take picture button. Double tap to take picture and analyze.
Take picture button.
Double tap to activate.
So the first button that you find is in the the left top corner of the screen. You'll find something called as back button. Next to it is the camera button, and then at the bottom of the screen you'll find 5 more buttons as guidance button, open gallery button, TTS button, save results button, and info button. So to click picture, just select the right swipe and select the camera button. And then let me show you how the guidance actually works. So this is the first version of the guidance, and it is designed
guidance for taking picture button.
OCR guidance feature is designed to help you know how.
Okay. Guidance.
Please wait for guidance results. Four corners visible.
Yeah, as you could see, it took some time, but it told me that 4 corners are visible. So what I'll do is I'll go further and
processing image.
Double
Please
tap
wait
on the screen.
The Associate. Tom Grisham is the author of 20 best-selling novels and the recent international #1 non-fiction debut The Innocent Man. He lives with his family in Virginia and Mississippi. End of text.
So yeah, this is the Advanced OCR, text output screen or the result screen. So in the result screen, in the top left corner, you'll find back button. To go back.
Double tap to activate. Smart results button.
You'll find the
double tap to activate.
Button. I'll tell you about the smart results after clicking another picture. Then next
tutorial button.
It's a tutorial
double tap
that,
to activate.
Says you how you can use these features. Advanced OCR.
Share text
button in case
double
you want
tap to activate.
Share the recognized text with anybody using various channels.
Save text button.
Then is the save
double
text
tap
button,
to activate,
which you can save the text.
Previous sentence button.
Then at the bottom
double
of the screen,
tap to activate.
You'll find options to go to the previous sentence. Currently I'm in the last line, so I can
non-fiction debut The Innocent Man. He lives.
It goes to the previous sentence. So in the previous sentence, it goes automatically and it starts reading it.
Play button.
So next to
double
it is
tap
the
to activate.
Pause and play button. If
non-fiction debut The Innocent Man. He lives with his family in Virginia and Mississippi.
From the
end of text
where the the line that was selected earlier, it will start reading.
Next
then
sentence
you
button.
Can go to the next sentence.
Double tap to activate.
End of text.
as I'm in the last line, it says me that it's the end of the text, so it can't go to further lines. Then
Replay
next to
button.
it, you'll find something
Double
called
tap
as
to
replay
activate.
button. Let's say you are reading a long page in the book, and at any given point of time, you want to go to the top, or you have reached the end of the text and you want to re-listen to it. So you can use this button.
The associate Tom Grisham is the author of 20 best-selling
And
novels
then
and the
that text
recent
will be read
international
out
number
to you
one non-fiction
from the
debut,
beginning.
The Innocent Man. He lives with his family in Virginia.
Back button.
So let's go back.
Camera
And,
active. Right swipe to
take
select camera button and take picture. Advanced
a
buttons at
visiting
bottom.
card. So this
TTS
is my
selected
visiting
by
card.
uiscom.google.android.tts.
Let's take photo of a visiting card, and let's see what it detects.
Take picture.
Processing image. Please wait. Shaswatina. ID. Operations and car. +918095722300.
So
Number
it read out my
102,
visiting
second
card,
and third floor,
my
17th cross.
name, my designation,
Sector
my phone
6
number, my
HSR
address,
layout, Bangalore.
my email ID, and website
560,102,
address.
India.
Back button. Smart results button.
So
Double
let's
tap to
see
activate.
what the smart results is.
+918095722300.
So as I told you earlier, you can use this smart result feature, to segregate phone numbers, the numbers that are present in the card or something that you're reading, and based on which you can perform actions. So the selected item is my phone number, and at the bottom of the screen,
Action button.
I have something
Double
called
tap to
as action
activate.
button. When you go to smart results section, the bottom row of the action button actually changes. You get extra buttons called as copy and action button. So when you double tap on the action button, and if the selected item is a phone number, call will be made to that number. Similarly, if you are selecting an email ID, your email app will open up so that you can send an email to the respective email ID. So this action button is present at the left bottom corner of the screen, and next to it,
Previous
you have
sentence
previous
button.
sentence, then
Play
pause
button.
button,
Next
then next
sentence
button,
button.
then
Replay
replay
button.
button, and then at the
Copy to
bottom
clipboard
right
button.
corner of the screen, bottom
Double tap to
corner,
activate.
you'll find something called as copy. So let's say you want to copy the phone number, you can use this to copy, or if you want to copy the email ID, you can do that. So what we'll do,
Action button.
I'll double tap on it, and my phone number was selected, so it directly opened up in my phone app, and
Dial
I
button.
can
Double tap to activate.
click on the dial button to
Overview.
make a call to my number. So this is what you get, and what we'll do is we
Save
can
text.
save this text, and
File saved successfully.
we'll go
Back.
back and we'll check
Camera.
like if we
Saved
are able to find this file in our saved results.
View button. Double
So-
tap. Image underscore 08 underscore
So
view
it
button.
tells the name of the
Double
file,
tap to activate.
and
Share button.
you can share it,
Double
you
tap
can delete
delete
it,
button.
or you
Share
can view it.
view button.
So clicking on
Double
the view
tap to
button,
activate.
you can view the file, or you can share it with anyone.
Back button.
So as you can see,
Camera
we
active.
have
Right swipe to select
automated the
camera button
process,
and take
so you
picture.
don't have to
Advanced
worry
buttons
about
at
which
bottom.
language you are
TTS
trying to
selected
read,
by
be it
uiscom.google.android.tts.
English or Arabic or any other language you are trying to read. You don't have to select any language. The Advanced OCR will automatically detect the language and will read it out for you based on the TTS that you are selecting. So just make sure that you have selected the relevant TTS to read the languages. Now let's go back and see what
Color reader
is
button.
all
Row
about.
5 column 1 in grid 6 rows 2 columns.
So color reader
Double
is
tap
something
to
that
activate.
you can use to detect color of the objects that are in front of you. It has two modes: point color mode and
Color
object
reader.
color mode.
Green.
So
Skin.
human eye actually detects
Skin.
basic colors, but for a machine like
Skin.
camera, it detects number of colors, I mean millions of colors.
Skin.
So it's a bit you'll find
Skin.
a bit of change while using the color reader,
Skin.
which will be improvised over time.
Skin.
So in front of me, it detects the color of this,
Skin.
the wall, and color reader
Skin.
actually, it will change based on the lighting
Tube
condition
skin.
that is present.
Blue. White. Blue.
I am pointing at my, visiting card, which
Blue.
is blue color strip, and it says blue. So currently I'm
Blue.
using in the point color mode. In the point color mode, it will detect the color
Blue.
at the center of the screen, and it will
Blue.
announce it out for you. Similarly, the other mode, that is the
Blue.
object color mode.
Blue.
In object color mode, it will tell you the dominant color that is
Blue.
detected by the camera. And while you're using the
Blue.
color reader, the flashlight is used so that
Blue.
you get better accuracy, and
Blue.
you are able to detect color even when the
Blue.
surrounding is dark.
Blue. Sky.
So let's
Checkpoint.
go.
Sky. Blue. White. Blue. Sky. Object. Brown.
I've selected the object color mode,
Checked.
and the majority of the direction in which I'm pointing is actually brown.
Black.
It's
Brown.
a wooden, wooden table on which I have placed
Brown.
the visiting card, which is brown in color, so it says brown.
Brown.
And if I take it very close
Black.
to my
Gray.
screen, it detects the color that are
Black.
present on my visiting card.
Brown.
Similarly, if I
Yellow. Skin.
at
Gray.
the wall, it says, it detects
Skin. Sky. Blue.
various colors
Skin.
on the wall, and
Gray.
it reads out to me
Silver.
automatically.
Skin.
So this is all about advanced OCR and color reader. You can find these items in ID Market. You can try these items for 5 days for free. Make sure that you try all the items that are available in ID Market and evaluate them. And hope this video was helpful. Thank you.
11:50.